people quarreling about Hindu and Muslims in social media. So you are Muslim, you will be supporting Pakistan. See, if you are having the food of this country, if you are consuming the food of this country, if you are earning from this country, if you are feeding your family from this country, then you are having the right to talk about this country, and your responsibility is to protect this country. Okay, so this attack was not against the normal public of Pakistan who have not did any sin, who are having families. This attack is against terrorism. You know where the difference stands? The difference stands here that they came and attacked the person who were enjoying their holidays with their families, the innocent people who didn't even imagine this kind of terror is going to happen with them, the persons who are just sitting next to their families and having a chill time talking together. They also don't know the next moment this terror is going to happen, that they are going to lose their lives. Of course, if Indian government wanted, they could burst the missiles on the public citizens' place. They could just finish many populations, but they didn't did it. They only attacked the terrorism, and this is the culture of India. In our history, also our ancestors always, we have studied in history that they used to protect the children. They used to protect the youths who are disabled physically. They used to protect the aged people. They used to protect the women. At first, they used to safeguard them, and they used to give their life in the war for protecting them. Today also that only happened. The only rare places were attacked, and our war is not against any religion. See, in this terror time, in this time, we all Indians, whether it's a Hindu, whether it's a Muslim, whether it's a Christian, whoever is Indian, staying in India, having an Aadhaar card of India, earning in India, having the food of India, we need to unite together. We need to fight the war together. It's not the time to quarrel between us. दूसरे टाइम कर लेना, any other time you do, no problem. But this is the time where we need to show our unity. We need to protect each other. Each and every Indian should be much responsible to protect each other. That's it, what I need to say. The war is not between Hindu and Muslim. The war is against terrorism.